Diono Monterey 2XT Latch 2-in-1 High Back Booster Car Seat with Expandable Height and Width, Side Impact Protection, 8 years 1 Booster, Red, Brand Diono Installation Type Seat Belt Material Polypropylene, High Density Polyethylene, Metal Color Red Orientation Forward Facing. The original expandable booster provides 69% increase in occupancy space as your child grows 2 seats in one, easily converts into a backless booster seat, with a wide contoured seat base and 2 retractable cup holders. Superior side impact protection, reinforced high-impact aluminum that provides layers of enhanced side impact protection for head, shoulders and torso. 11 position headrest, easy one-hand adjustment provides up to 6.5 in height to grow with your child. Ultimate safety and protection for your child comfort. Super lightweight, weighing only 13 pounds. Monterey 2XT is super light, allowing you to move the seat between vehicles with ease.